everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 156 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the NYX Born to Glow palette to try out. So this is a highlighting palette with 6 different highlighting shades. It retails for $25, which is pretty expensive in my opinion for a highlighting palette, especially from NYX. And NYX is a cruelty-free brand. At least these are really big pans. It would probably take forever to get through one of these. I'm gonna start out by swatching each one on my hand. So the swatches are all really pretty. They're pretty true to the colors in the pan, so I'm impressed. They also seem to have really good color payoff, like Pigment Payoff, which is a relief because yesterday I tried out the NYX Cream Contour and Highlight Pro palette and I was really not that impressed by the swatches or the pigment payoff of those. So I'm glad that this palette does have great swatches. The Swear By It eyeshadow palette that I tried out on my channel, I'll be sure to link that video down below, had amazing swatches, and I swatched all 40 shades in that palette and I would say like almost all of them were gorgeous. This palette is not letting me down either. I'm gonna start out by taking these top 2 shades and trying to mix those together for a highlight. Oh, so pretty. This is like kind of created a rose gold by mixing that gold shade and the rose. Ooh, lots and lots of pigment. It does look so powdery on my skin though, like not looking like a glow, just looking like a shimmer powder. So I personally don't really love that texture. I'm feeling like on camera it looks fine, but in person, up close, you can really see like some powder texture. And then the other 2 from the swatches that I really liked are these 2 here. The other ones are very deep bronzy shades, which I don't think would really work with my skin tone today, but I want to try mixing those other 2, which are this gold and this rose. Wow, I actually like this one a little bit better. This one's a bit more golden because I used that darker gold shade. And I like the way that that reflects a little bit better than this one that is looking quite powdery and textured on my cheek now. Oof, I don't like that texture. I do like that there's lots of different combinations to do. Try these 2 now down the center of my face. The pigment on these is so good that it actually shows up very true to color. So I appreciate that. I just hate the texture on this side. I guess this side kind of has the same texture. It's kind of a bummer. And you know what else I appreciate is that all of the shades are very different, because sometimes you'll get palettes and it's just like 2 of the shades are so similar that it's like I wish you had put in something else in the palette that was different. But this one, like, they all are very different and can be used for different purposes. Let's take this one as a brow bone highlight. I could see myself using those bronzy shades as eyeshadows since they're too deep for my skin tone, but they'll look really pretty as like a foiled shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, so here is my glowy face using the Born to Glow palette. And I would say as far as powdered highlighters go, these are really nice because they have really great pigment. I just don't love the texture. And I don't know if that's necessarily the product's fault, because a powdered highlighter is going to emphasize texture pretty much no matter what. So this does have very pretty sheen to it. So I guess I would say that I'm happy with this. I'm not in love with it, as you can tell, but I don't think that it's bad. Let me know in the comments your opinion on this product. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.